Hey guys, so today I just recently purchased the $20 Herbie's Fireworks Family Pack. I purchased it with my dad because I'm not 18 or older. Let's take a look at what we got. So first we got the Friendship Fountain. The Friendship Fountain is just a fountain and just emits showers of sparks. It's not the best packaging, but it's good enough. Next we have the Climbing Panda. It looks fairly interesting. It's got a panda that spins. Let's see what it does. Caution, emits showers of sparks. Okay, so it is a fountain. It is a very interesting fountain. Okay, that's good. Then we got two the same Roman candles. You guys know what Roman candles do. They shoot up balls of fire into the air, different colors. Okay. Next we have Blackjack's sparklers. I think they do different colors. It doesn't. It does say multicolor. Okay, that's very interesting. I'm misled by the title Blackjack. Let's put that down. We got another Blackjack. Ooh, and we have the smoke grenade. The smoke grenade, you light it, you throw it, and it emits lots of smoke. Okay, that's very interesting. We have the bomber. Let's see what it does. It spins upward and shoots so it's a fountain that spins and goes up a little bit. Very interesting. It looks like it has some firecrackers on the inside. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Next we have another fountain, I think. I think it's a fountain. No, it is not a fountain. It shoots flaming balls. So it's a small version of a cake. If you know what a cake is a big pack of fireworks that you light once, and it shoots a couple different balls, flames. So that's nice. Okay. Next we have the blue smokes. Blue smoke. I think it is a fountain. It doesn't say what it does.
Smoke?
I think it does smoke, but it looks something interesting at the bottom. Oh, that's a whole different firework. I thought those were two fireworks. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is like a smoke bomb that just shoots a bunch of smoke out of it. And this, on the other hand, I think this is a small fountain. No, it spins and it shoots sparks up. So it's a fountain that spins. Very cool. We have the classic tank. The smoke. Oh, it's a smoke tank. So the smoke tank just shoots smoke, I think. Yeah, it shoots smoke out of this little thing right there. Okay. Now we'll move on to a couple packets of firecrackers, which can blow your hand off if you're not careful. So be very careful with these very small fuses. You just light them and throw them as fast as you can. That's classic. We have the M8 firecracker, which is a little bit safer.
M60.
M60. It's a little bit safer, but still can blow your hand off. So be careful. Do the same.
It's worse. It's a bigger.
It's a bigger firecracker. These are going to be really fun. So short fuse, just a big loud firecracker. Next up, we have the Saturn missiles, some of my favorites. So Saturn missiles, you light it, and it shoots a bunch of missiles up into the air. It makes a ginormous whistling sound, and then explodes super loud. So these are super loud, super fun. Make sure you do not light these around your dogs. That will freak them out. Yeah, Saturn missiles, that's good. Ooh, we have some color sparklers. These are going to be really fun. They're just sparklers with colors. And then we have glowworms, some of my favorite when I was a kid. You take it's a little pellet that you light the pellet and it shoots out a little worm, like a little charcoal worm out of it when you light it. It's so cool, but these glow. Super cool. Okay. We have the disco flasher. The disco flasher,
very bright.
it's just a bright, very, very, very bright. Probably can cause seizures. And I'm not too sure about these. I think they're like, I'm not sure if you light them. You light them and you throw them and it just super bright. Okay, those are pretty cool. We have another Roman candle, except for this is a different Roman candle. I think it just does some different colors. So, that's it, guys. So, thanks for watching. I would recommend getting this. It looks pretty great. It's from Joey's Fireworks. Remember that, Joey's Fireworks.
Off of
Off of Wade Hampton.